everyone, it's Beth from Sweet Tarts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm with the lovely Bailey. She is back and we're going to be doing rainbow braids. Really cute, really easy. Let's get started. So I'm starting with the first one. I want it to kind of fall forward, but I've chosen not to take this first little section here. I've come in just a little bit, and also Bailey's part line I've left just a little bit of hair. I'm going to twist this out the way. I'm going to spray a little bit of clay spray for grip, but you can just use water. Smooth that out, make sure your strand is all ready. So I've got my rainbow hair, I've got my little strand ready. Okay, so we're going to break this into three. Excuse the nails, guys, I need to go tomorrow and get them done. Okay, so into three like that. You're going to take your section of hair and you're going to lay it so that the middle one's got nothing and the two outside ones have got a section. I'll show you what I mean. So like that, middle one's got nothing and that one. So you kind of like combined it, and then you want this to sit as close to the scalp as you can. We're going to do almost like a Dutch braid but without adding hair. So we're going to take the sections underneath. So the first one's going to come under, pinch that. This side is going to come under. And then before this one comes under, we're just going to borrow a little bit of hair from here. I'm going to allow that to go into this section. So now this one's got a little bit of coloured hair. So you're going to grab hold again, under it goes. Grab hold again, under it goes. Under it goes. This one still feels a little bit on the thin side, so I'm just going to take a teeny tiny section, add it into my thin one. Under it goes, like so. And now that's all locked in, and then you're just going to continue down the hair, taking that plait underneath, making sure no little babies are getting added in. If you feel like one of the sections is getting a little bit thin, you just borrow a little bit and add it in. You'll know as you go down if one feels thinner than the other. And then eventually the real hair will run out and you'll be left with just the synthetic hair. Some people like to kind of take it really, really far down, like longer than the real hair. Some people like you to kind of cut it to the length of their own hair. You can also, if it is just the synthetic hair left at the bottom, you can just burn the ends, but today I'm just going to pop some little elastics in. I pop a little elastic in the ends here, and then I'm going to trim. So it is a little bit longer than Bailey's hair because that's what she wanted. I'm not just going to go straight across like that because it looks like really stubby at the end. So I'm just going to kind of like trim downwards like that just to make it look a little bit more natural. Although I don't know what is natural about having a rainbow braid in your hair, but that's fine. So just so you can see how that's going to sit on Bailey, it's kind of like sitting forwards. It's just there. I'm going to show you this one more time just in case you couldn't quite see what I was doing. Then I'll put all of them in and you can see what the finished product looks like. You're going to get your section of hair. We're going to place it over like that. So remember, your middle section doesn't have anything in. This section has that one. This section has that one. Right on the hair, best you can, you're going to come under. Before this one comes under, you're going to borrow. So this is the worst bit, in my opinion. The borrowing bit before you've kind of like locked the braid in. So this one has now got that little bit of colour, and it's going to go underneath this one here, in between the pincer here. So underneath. Remember, if you've got a section that's feeling quite thin, you can do that borrowing thing. At the minute I feel pretty okay. So this one's feeling a little bit thin, guys. So before I take this one underneath, I'm going to take a little section, put it into the middle, And now it goes underneath. Another little top tip, guys, is don't let these ends all tangle up. This hair loves to stick to itself, so just keep making sure that all your sections stay nice and clean. Bailey really likes this coral colour, you see, so she wants me to keep a little bit in, don't you, Bales?
Yeah.
So we've got our 6 in now. We're going to do a little spin, aren't we, Bales? So they can see Bailey is loving life, and it matches the top, guys. It matches the top. So I just did the 6. You can do way more. You could just do 1. Just falling down the back there. I've just got a tiny bit longer than Bailey's hair. I've also got a tutorial on how to put hair tinsel in, which we love, don't we, Bailey? We love that tutorial. So I hope you like this, guys, and I'll see you again soon for another video.
Bye.